Prosecutors seek 8-year prison sentence for JAH CURE.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
JAH CURE will know his fate on March 22nd when there will be a verdict in his trial that began on Tuesday, March 8th in the Netherlands. The prosecutor accused the singer of a premeditated act and asked the court to convict the 43-year-old singer of attempted murder. During his summation, the prosecutor recommended that the artist be put away for 8 years with credit for time served. During the closing statement, the prosecutor presented damning evidence that reportedly showed JAH CURE attempted to lie to establish his claim of self-defense. Although it emerged that the CCTV footage of the incident is inconclusive, the prosecutor said that JAH CURE's claim of self-defense is unbelievable. The prosecutor pointed out that JAH CURE gave an inaccurate version of the events when he told the police that the victim pulled a knife out of his right pocket. The victim is left-handed and the suspect did not know this, the prosecutor argued. Seeking to establish premeditation, the prosecutor said that the suspect picked up a knife before the meeting with the victim, not to protect himself from wearing an expensive watch. Voice messages that JAH CURE sent to the victim may also prove to be crucial and compelling in the trial. The prosecutor sought to establish that JAH CURE deliberately sought confrontation. This was reportedly shown by voice messages the suspect sent to the victim and people the suspect knows. One of the messages to the victim reportedly read, "The last time you will live to this man thing." The prosecutor also presented evidence from witnesses who saw the alleged attack. According to a witness, the suspect, JAH CURE, allegedly said just before the incident, "This is the nigger I have to kill," and then made a stabbing motion. The witness did not see a knife, but he saw the victim clutch his stomach. Another witness also saw the stabbing motion of the suspect, but did not see a knife, the prosecutor said. These are grave crimes that not only have consequences for the personal integrity of the victim, but also severely shaken the legal order. Because the victim is stabbed in broad daylight and in the busy city center of Amsterdam, it evokes feeling of unsafety among the general public, the prosecutor said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!